Hi and welcome to Pumpkin's Nail Station. Today we're going to be working on a Christmas tree, but I'm going to twist it up a bit and use some much brighter sequins for the lights on the Christmas tree using the AIMEILI Christmas gel polish set. Just going to work on it like that. Okay. So we're going to use a green by AIMEILI in the Christmas set. So I'm going to stick a picture up of their Christmas set just now, and I'll put a link in the top right where I swatched the whole set. So we're going to use this one for the tree, and that's number 094. And we're going to do the bottom of the tree with the gold, which is 093, which is that one. And we're going to use the no wipe top coat as well, which has to be my favourite, to be honest with you. That bottle's nearly ran out, I'm so sad. Okay, right, so let's go for it. So if this was your normal nail, you'd have your base coat on and your nail would be prepped and all of that stuff. So for this one, I'm just putting the polish on as if that was already done. Sorry, I'm just making sure I've got an even coverage. So yeah, so that is done. So I'm just going to cure that for 30 seconds. So yep, so we'll just wait for that to cure, and then we'll pop another layer of it on, and then we'll work on the lights on the tree using some sequins. So that's what we're going to be doing. I was thinking of making some tinsel with that, but I think it would just take way too long. I might do that on my normal nail. So I'm going to do a tree on my nail, so I might use some of these like to give a bit of a tinseled effect going down the nail, but we'll see. So we're going to pop another layer of this on because I want it to be fairly opaque. I imagine these would be it would be a lot more opaque on your nail just because this is a plastic stick. So 2 coats is perfect for this one. So I'm just going to cure that again. So while that's curing, I'm just going to pause the camera and get everything set up what I need. So I'll be right back. Right, so we're back. So what I've done, let me put this in. What I've decided to do, I did it off camera without thinking. I've just added some hollow striping tape in like a, you can sort of see the form that I've done it. So I've gone down there, down there, down there, down there. And I've just sealed it at the back for now for there. So that's like a tinsel, if you like, on the Christmas tree. So I just did that without thinking really. I should have filmed it, but hey, sometimes I just get a bit lost. I went to decorate my Christmas tree actually, and then I came back, and yeah, sometimes things spring to mind and then I just do them without thinking. So the next stage is I'm going to add the AIMEILI no wipe top coat onto here, and then we're going to add some sequins onto the, just below the tinsel. So that's what we're going to do. So I might just zoom you in a bit closer. Okay. And we're going to use some of these. Okay. So I'm just going to get my picker. I'm just going to pick a couple of bright ones. Try and grab some small So I'm not going to go crazy with this. I'm going to add a few hollow ones. Okay, and now I'm going to look for a star, I think maybe. A couple more hollow. Let's grab a big hollow disc. Just stick them in there. Okay, now I'm just going to look for a star. I'm just going to get my stars and then I'll come right back. Okay, so that is the finished Christmas tree using the AIMEILI gel polish, the nickel diary accessories, and I think they're Born Pretty sequins. So I just used a regular holographic striping tape for the tinsel. What I might do for the bottom of the tree, just to make it look more like a tree, I'm just going to add like a tree stem, like a Christmas stem there or something, where it's like sat on like a little box of some sort. So that is that. So I'm just going to cure that. So it's just sort of sat on like a little box. And that is cute. I think I'm definitely going to be... I'll post a photograph of this so you can get a better look at it. But it really is cute for a tree. And if you want to fill your nail, like make it look like a huge tree as opposed to like, you know, tiny trees. Sequins all over me. And then I'm just going to seal it with a no wipe top coat by AIMEILI. So this one. And these are my Santa designs, what I did, which I've got another video on. And this is another tree, what I've done using this set. So that's the Santa that I've done, where I've got a video for it. That was my first Santa Claus, and then this is the tree that I did the first time. But this time I decided to do it slightly different. I used a slightly different green from the set, and I've added in some tinsel and a star. So you tell me which tree you like the best. I like this one that I've just done. So I'm just going to add a no wipe top coat. Sorry if my video looks a little bit dark, it's basically because it's later for me. I've been doing my Christmas tree all day. I will stick a photograph up of my tree and you can tell me if you think I did a good job. I do like trimming my tree, but it's just the doing it. It's just getting, you know, the motivation to do the tree. Okay, so I'm just going to cure that. And then, yeah, so that's all my decorations. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I do recommend this set by AIMEILI. You can do so many different like Christmas designs with it, you know, and really have fun. Like with a gel polish set for Christmas, it's got all the colours that you need. It's got 2 shades of green, a normal and a glittery one. It's got a gold, it's got a red, it's got a glittery red, and then it's got like a topper. Yeah, so that is sealed in lovely. Yeah. So this is the completed tree. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.